Hello, this is Anirban Sarkar, a PhD student from Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. The paper title is Leveraging Test Time Consensus Prediction for Robustness Against Unseen Noise. This is a joint work with Anindya and Vinith. This is the outline of my presentation. Generalization performance of deep neural networks is a very important objective, as the networks are susceptible to fail against unseen noise at test time. In recent years, researchers have shown many examples of this kind, which raises serious questions about deployment of the seemingly good DNN models in the wild. Two parallel lines of research have emerged in order to tackle this important problem. The first one is augmentation-based methods, and in the second case, the training strategy aims to enhance model generalizability. However, augmentation methods require a significant increase in the size of the training dataset, and are also known to fail when the test time distribution differs from the distribution of augmented training data. In this work, we seek to propose a method that can address model robustness to unseen noise by training only on clean data. This is the diagram of TTCP framework. Here we consider a Y-shaped DNN represented as a backbone network with two task-specific heads, one for the main classification task and the other for the auxiliary task. We leverage the capabilities of self-supervision and update the shared parameter at test time by applying auxiliary transformation to the test data and passing through the network. We use rotation, which defines a corresponding self-supervised task, that is rotation prediction in this case. We observe both the prediction of the auxiliary task as well as the main task before the gradient step is taken to update the shared backbone parameters. This step is performed a predefined number of times, each time with a different auxiliary transformation applied to the data under the same self-supervised task, that is rotation. Our final output is the consensus of predictions on the main classification output for every transformed input where the auxiliary task head predicts the correct expected output. We show the efficacy of our proposed method TTCP over TTT, that is test time training, for all four types of noise through this figure. Here we present the comparative effectiveness of vector quantization over denoising autoencoder for different noise and clean data as well. This image shows the visualizing effect of quantized latent on mitigating noise for two sample test images from CIFART-C dataset. Note that the VQ module can address the noise at all severity levels with no prior knowledge of the noise. TTCP++ improves upon TTCP by adding a training phase that retrieves the latent data manifold from VQVA and then improves the backbone network by using knowledge distillation from a pre-trained teacher network. During inference, images are passed through the VQVA and then the similar steps as TTCP are followed to get the final prediction. In this table, we show accuracy results of different methods with Gaussian impulse short and speckle noises from CIFART-C dataset using ResNet26 architecture. Most real-world environments are inherently noisy, thus hindering DNN models from being deployed in real-world applications, especially in the wild with unknown or unseen noise. In this work, we propose a simple yet effective test time consensus prediction, that is TTCP in short, approach that addresses model robustness to robust noise with training only on clean data. We further propose an extended version, TTCP++, where we add a training phase based on quantized latence and knowledge distillation that helps improve the performance of TTCP further on unseen noise. Our comprehensive results on multiple benchmark datasets against SOTA baselines show significant promise for deploying DNN models in the wild with unseen noise. Thank you. For more details, please read our paper and come to our poster.